Hey guys, John Jones here. I appreciate you tuning in. I apologize for the appearance. Had a little surgery a couple of days ago, but I definitely wanted to get these numbers out to you because I think it's a very significant month. April's always significant because it's usually one of the hottest months of the year, the spring selling season. But this year even more important because of what we've just been through and what we're going through with the pandemic and the stay-at-home orders. But guys, in Rutherford County, pending's only 8% off of last April. And you got to remember, last April was a record April. Last 2019 was a record year in home sales in Rutherford County. And so we're only 8% off of that for April. Closings were down 10%, which there again is kind of a head scratcher when you think of people that got furloughed right in the middle of trying to get a house and all those things. So we definitely had a few fallouts, but when you think of the big picture, it's pretty incredible. Our supply of homes overall, what I call the absorption rate, is 1.8 months supply, which is still extremely low, and it's definitely a seller's market. Just to remind you, 4 months is considered a balanced market. Anything under that, 3 months or less, is a seller's market. Anything 5 months or above is a buyer's market. We only have one price range, one price point in Rutherford County that you would even remotely call a buyer's market, and that is the upper end, over 700. How do we explain this? I think the only way to explain it is when you think about, this is the first time in the history that I've been in the business or my career where home prices and rents have gone up at the same time. Usually it's an inverse relationship. If people are buying homes, then rents are usually stabilizing or coming down, and vice versa. Well, both of them have been going up for the last few years, which I think just basically tells you how many people are dumping into Middle Tennessee and that kind of thing. So I just think we've got a lot of people. They got to have a place to live. Rates are still crazy low, and they're still buying houses. Even with the people that could not be in the market in the last month because of furloughs or layoffs or whatever, there was still enough to overcompensate to keep this market pretty vibrant. So I didn't expect this. I figured it would be cut near, close to half. Now, obviously, I lived through this month, and I could tell from our own activity that it was a pretty good month. Thanks a lot for tuning in.